How to delete your home address on Google Maps. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Google Maps on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the Your Profile option you see there. Further, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and then tap on the Profile Settings option. Now, in here, go ahead and tap on the Home and Work Addresses option and then tap on the three dots you see there beside the Home option. Here you will see various options. Tap on the Remove Home option you see there, and with this, your home address will be removed. So, this was about how you can delete your home address on Google Maps. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.